Biscuits and bakery products maker Mrs. Bector's Food Specialties has opened its 540 crore rupees maiden public issue for subscription today with a price band of 286 to 288 rupees per share. In our Ideas for Profit today, we'll discuss whether you should subscribe to this IPO. Well, the IPO of Mrs. Bector Food Specialties couldn't have been better timed, as the rising interest of retail investors is coupled with an increase in the in-home consumption owing to COVID, making it a potent combination for a successful listing going forward. Now, the company is engaged in manufacturing and selling of biscuits and bakery products. Now, while the biscuit category is sold under the brand name of Cremica, for the bakery products, the company uses the brand English Oven. Now, Bector Food specializes in premium as well as mid-premium category and caters principally to the market of North India. Also, in the biscuit market, it commands a 4.5% market share in FY20, while in the branded bread segment, it is about 5%. Now, as for the IPO details, the Bector Foods plans to raise about 540.5 crore rupees this time, of which about 500 crore rupees is an offer for sale by existing private equity players, and also the remaining 48.5 crore rupees would be utilized for capacity expansion of its biscuit business. Now, the company would commence a new production line at its manufacturing plant in Rajpura, Punjab, and expects the commercial production to commence from April 2022. Now, Bector Food also follows the model of in-house manufacturing, which actually provides advantages in terms of maintaining superior quality, faster product development cycle, and better cost control as well. Now, the company is also working on introducing premium products in both biscuits as well as bakery, including digestive biscuits, premium rich cookies as well. Now, it has introduced new premium products such as sub breads and also frozen doughs, pizzas, etc. as well. Now, this would enable Bector to witness growth with improved margin going forward. Now, from 2017 until September 2020, Bector has invested nearly 260 crore rupees in setting up of facilities for manufacturing biscuits and bakery products. As on September 2020, the capacity utilization stood at around 72%, which leaves room for increasing production going forward. Now, new capacity is also likely to come on stream in Rajpura facility, as told earlier in April 2022. Now, Bector is also likely to invest about 100 crore rupees from internal accruals to set up another plant in Madhya Pradesh, which will come on stream from April 2024. Now, the company also plans to target newer markets and more retail touch points, and that's along with a higher presence in the modern trade segment as well. Now, the higher capacity utilization will eventually add to volume growth and result in benefits of higher operating leverage as well. Now, in the first half of FY21, the export of biscuits grew by 39% as a much improved performance compared to previous years as well. Now, Bector currently exports nearly 64 countries to nearly 64 countries. With higher export revenues, Bector is also in a position to de-risk its business model. Also, if you talk about the overall branded biscuit market growth, it is going at around 9.2%, but Bector's is somehow larger than that as well. Now, talking about the larger peers, Britannia, Parle, all of them have a 57% kind of a market share. In comparison, Bector has a share of 4.5%. We do expect Bector to also improve its market share going forward from here. Now, close to 17% of Bector's sale also goes to institutions, including QSR or the quick service restaurant segments, and we do expect this segment to also add to growth to Bector and the bottom line going forward. Now, based on the peer valuation, Bector's IPO is coming at a discount valuation to Britannia and other players. Also, if you see on forward earnings estimate, Bector is trading at a PE multiple of 21 times FY21 estimated annualized earnings, as against Britannia's PE multiple of 48 times FY21 earnings. So, investors can definitely expect handsome listing gains, as we expect the discount with the peers to also narrow as far as the listing goes. Investors also with the long-term view should use all the market gyrations post-listing to add the stock for the long term.